Okay, so in that backpack there, which is let me see if I can get it in here. It's a 60-liter backpack from Walmart that I got a few years ago. In that, I'm packing the two boys of the 7-year-old and the 17-year-old. So these are going in. They are expandable closet organizer things that we use to put our clothes in. This is going in. It's a lock box that we lock our passports, tablets, things in, and hide in a bag under a bed or whatever when we go out during the day. And in it I have the 7-year-old's pants, two of the 17-year-old shorts, and 2 shirts of the teenagers. These are 7-year-old jeans, 7-year-old jeans, and 17-year-old clothes, and his shoes, and his shirts and socks. We don't wear socks a lot, so we only pack like 2 or 3 pairs. His bathroom bag, 7-year-old's bathroom stuff is with mine. His shorts are loose. His underwear and socks are in that bag, and his shirts are in that bag. I'm using the loose clothes to stuff everything so it's not so it fills in the spots, you know. And that's everything that I think is going into that bag. I could change my mind though. So I'm just gonna pack that up and then I'll start it again. You can see that.